Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video is a makeup tutorial. I am using a lot of products that I bought from my haul from my last video. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave that description down below so you can see the things that I bought. On my eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Like I said on my haul video, all the colors on here are amazing, and I was really attracted to the green colors. That's what I did to create this look. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If don't forget to subscribe, leave me comments, and if you are already subscribed, welcome back and thank you for watching my videos. Like I always say, I'll put all the products that I use on my description, and if you're ready to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep on. So first off, I'm going to start with this Airbrush Away Primer from the brand number 7. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So next, I'm going to go ahead and clean out my eyebrows. And I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush and my Maybeline Rewind, kind of to clean up my eyebrows and give it a little more shape. Next off, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'll be using this Milani eyeshadow primer and apply it all over my eyes or my eyelids. Now that I'm done priming my eyes and doing my eyebrows, I'll go ahead and take my Born to Run palette, and I'm gonna start off with this color right here, which is the Weekender, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids. With that same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Riff, and it's this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that to my crease. Next off, I'm going to take this color right here, Big Sky, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. So I'm going to take that brush again and apply it kind of to get. Okay, so I'm going to take this Echo Tool blending brush. It's a little more defined, and I'm going to go ahead and take the color Riff again and kind of clean out around my crease. And then I'm going to take a Morphe brush and I'm going to apply the color Punk to my outer corners. I'm going to go ahead and take this Morphe brush and I'm going to take the color Breakaway and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone. So I'm going to move on to my face now, but first I'm going to move on to my under eyes, and I'm going to use this Anastasia concealer, and I'm just going to apply that a little bit, and I think I grabbed too much. Kind of just focus right here, because that's where you can mostly see my dark circles. So for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Total Control foundation. For my concealer, I'm going to use my Age. To set my eyes, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour palette. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the Wet n Wild color Icon in the color Pearlescent Pink. Next, I'll use my Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Precious Pearl. So going back to my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take this pencil brush and I'm gonna take the color Riff. So I'm just gonna apply this to my bottom waterline. Go ahead and take the color Punk as well. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarteist eyeliner and I'll apply that on my waterline. And with a liquid liner, I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing liner. So I'm going to apply that same color I used for my brow bone, the Breakaway, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corners. Next, I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes, apply mascaras, and I'll put some falsies on. For lashes, I'm going to use these Demi Wispie lashes. I'm going to apply mascara to my lower eyelashes. So to set my face, I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. So for lips, I'm going to use this NYX Extreme Shine Lip Cream. This is in the color Buttery Nude.